Hello everyone. Today we are going to look into LeetCode problem longest increasing subsequence. Here we are given an integer array and we need to find what is the length of the longest increasing subsequence. So what is subsequence means? Subsequence can be subsequence and subarray. These two are different. Subarray means it should be contiguous. Let's say 10, 9 and 2. This is subarray. Why? Because every value in the subarray are next to each other in original array. But subsequence is not like that. We can say 10 to 7 101. So these four values are from this particular array only, the original array, and they are in sequence. Sequence means after 10 we have 2. We don't care indexes, but we have 10 and 2 in a sequence. So this is known as subsequence. Subsequence. So we are clear with the subsequence and now what is the issue? We need to find longest increasing subsequence. So let's say in this condition, so we have subsequence and another condition is increasing. So when we consider this particular array, if you observe, 10 is less than 9, so that means it is not increasing, it is decreasing. So our subsequence should be in increasing way. When you observe these two 5, these two are increasing only, okay, and 3, when you consider 3 it is not increasing, as we have 5. So we can say 2, 3, 7, 101 are in a subsequence manner by ignoring 5. So what is our main problem statement is we need to find out the length of it. So that is our main problem. So let's see this as an example. Here we can say 0 1 and 2 3. These four are in uh, subsequence. So we can say this is the what I'm going to pick is I'm going to pick 0 1 2 3. Then that is output is 4. And when come to this one, none of the variables are decreasing or increasing. So we can say only one element is a length. So how to solve this? So I'm going to follow binary searching uh, way. So we can use binary search. I will explain while while demonstrating the code. Okay, directly jump into the code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a integer array that is of same length only. That is of same length of numbers. Yes. And what is another parameter that I'm going to take is length. So I'm taking length as 0. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to loop through this array. Why I'm looping through is I will find each elements uh, each element's position in a binary. By using binary search I will just try to find the uh, respect to index of this particular each particular element in our db array. Let's see how we can do. So I'm going to use array dot binary search. And what I'm going to pass is first I'm going to pass the particular array in which we need to search, and I'm going to pass two parameters, starting of the index and ending of the index. Length is nothing but ending of the index here, and I'm passing names of file. That means the current value from the array. Okay, so let's say I pass 10 and we got some index, and we are going to place uh, we are going to place our names of file in that position in dp array. What if our index is going to less than? less than 0. So then at that position we need to convert our index into positive. Okay. And one more thing, we are adding, we are checking in between the length, and we need to increase length when index is equals to length. That means we are adding our element to the at the position of length. When we are adding, then we need to increase the length. So let me write the condition: if index is equals to length, then what we need to do is length plus plus. Yes, this is all about our code, and yes, it's done. What we need to return at the end? So we need to return length at the end. Let's see how it is working. Yes, it's working fine. I'm going to submit it. Yes, it's working fine. So this is my solution about this particular problem. Uh, that's it for today. Thanks.